Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make money online, all with sales funnels. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here are the 3 types of funnels that you can make money, and each one of these has its own strategy. So the first one is to sell physical products or a service. For example, you have a hat that you're going to sell, and then the other for a service would be like car detailing services, okay? The next thing we're going to talk about is affiliate marketing. This has its own type of funnel structure and a way to make money. And then lastly is selling information products. So let's break down each one of these. Okay, so for starting out with selling products, this is great if you currently have a brand or an existing business. Okay, if you want to drive more sales to your existing business or you already have a brand, this is awesome. Now, if you don't already have one but you want to create one, this is also great for you. So, and essentially, you build out a funnel, and to get people into your funnel, you got to create some sort of captive type of advertising, like on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Pinterest or whatever, that says, hey, get this free hat. All you have to do is pay for the shipping. Okay, so then they go into the funnel and boom, they enter their credit card information, you sell a hat, and maybe with that you upsell them or downsell them a few other things, okay? So this is a type of way to make money. Now, as you can see, I've got drop shipping on there, okay? Drop shipping is essentially the same type of structure, but the great thing is you don't have to invest in any type of inventory. And you can start from nothing. So you don't have to have an existing business or brand. If you want to do the same thing where you attract somebody and say, hey, buy this hat or get this hat for free, all you have to do is pay for shipping, okay? And then as soon as someone places that order, then you essentially buy that product from the wholesaler like Alibaba and have it shipped directly to the customer, not to you, so you never even have to touch the physical product. So that's pretty sweet. So this is its own type of funnel structure, and you guys can make the money with that, okay? The next type of funnel is affiliate marketing, as we talked about. So affiliate marketing can be physical products or they can be information products, okay? Affiliate marketing is another great way to get started if you do not have a business or brand. It's also great because it's not much money up front. What you really need to hone in on to be successful at affiliate marketing are your ads. You need to figure out how to capture people's attention. And if you can do that, then all you have to do is be the middleman, where you essentially sell whatever product or service or information products there are, and if they click on the link, I'm going to type it out here, link. If they click on the link, then you make a commission, you make money. So this is a different type of structure than the first. Essentially, you are just taking this customer to a landing page and then sending them to another page. For instance, let's say you are captivating somebody by getting an awesome hat. Now this hat probably is going to cost money. You can say, hey guys, this is a one-of-a-kind hat. You can buy it right here. Click on me. They click on it, and then it's like this landing page, and it's like, guys, look at me, I'm wearing this cool hat. It's freaking awesome. You can only get it in one place. Click on the link below to buy it, and then they click on that link, and it goes to Amazon. And then if they buy it, you get a commission from when someone buys it, and when they click on your link. So that is that type of marketing with physical products. Now let's go into the information and program types of products. So rather than selling or getting affiliate links where they're sent to Amazon, it would be something like a thing called ClickBank. ClickBank is this platform where there's tons of people that are selling their own courses, their own ebooks, their courses or their software, and they want it to spread out to the world. So they say, hey, we will do an affiliate marketing program. If you sell this program, then you can also get a commission. So guys, affiliate marketing with funnels is a great way. I believe that ClickFunnels was set up originally for this type of thing. I could be wrong, but this is what ClickFunnels is all about, is essentially creating something here, landing page, collecting their email, and then boom, sell them something that you don't even have to invest in, and that is a great way to make money online. Okay, the next thing is sell your own course or information products. Okay, so if you guys are gurus and you've got something out there, you want to sell a physical book or an ebook, or you've got software you want to sell, or you've got a course that you've built and you want to sell your membership course, then there is a type of funnel for that as well, and a way to make money. So let's go into this just a little bit here. Once again, this requires you to build something out, and this is on your own, and I'd say that this probably is the most time consuming, and as we know, time is money. So it depends on where you're at. If you're just starting internet marketing and you want to make some money and you don't have much going on right now, then I'd say that either drop shipping or affiliate marketing is a really good way to go. And the great thing is you can do all of this within the ClickFunnels platform, so it's really sweet. Now, if you do have a specific skill set and you think you can sell your skill set to others, you can create a funnel that says sign up here if you're interested in a course. Then they click on it. Okay, now if you're getting clicks just on that type of funnel and that's all you have done, then you know that you have interest. Then you can build out your course or your software or your information product or your membership site. Okay, you don't necessarily have to build it all first and then send people through a funnel. A professor of mine at my university called this the rock star strategy. Essentially, it's saying like, hey, are you interested in this? If so, click this button and buy it, kind of thing. And then when it goes to the buy page, it's like, oh, sorry, we're out of this inventory, but we will email you as soon as it comes out. Okay, so this is kind of the same type of thing you could go into that gets you started quickly. So guys, this is a tutorial of how to get started making money with sales funnels using ClickFunnels. Okay, so this is great, but I would suggest that before you build, sell before build. Does that make sense, guys? I hope it does. So I've been following lots of entrepreneurs right now, lots of people that teach internet marketing, and guys, there is a huge push towards affiliate marketing and a huge push towards drop shipping. I'd say that they are saying that these two things are great ways to start making money online with very, very little investment, which is, in my mind, that's huge. Okay, and you can build this own course here with little investment. You probably will have to, invest a little bit more time, even creating a video or some sort of structure. You got to have knowledge to be able to sell your own course. So guys, going back to the affiliate marketing and drop shipping, they say that affiliate marketing might take a little bit longer, something like months to where you're making good money. They do say that with drop shipping, if you can really hone in and dial down your skills, once you start getting those skills, you can have a faster, scale a lot faster, and be potentially making money faster. But guys, these are all great ways to start making money. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please give it the likes. please give it a thumbs up if you guys like the video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. Tap that bell icon if you'd like to be notified. And guys, if you want to receive a free guide, I've got one. It's at startfunnels.com/guide. I teach and share how to get started using sales funnels and how to create businesses and make money. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. You guys have an awesome day.